Now, days after Mumbai police filed an FIR against actress Gehna Vashisht in connection with the porn film racket case involving businessman Raj Kundra, sensational charges by the actress against Mumbai police. Now, Gehna claims that the police demanded 15 lakh rupees from her in February before her arrest.
You were saying that you are not against police. Police had last week summoned you as a witness, but you didn't appear because you have been already arrested in the case. Why didn't you appear before the police to record your statement as a witness?
Because see, the day when I got bail, it was 18th June, but I came out on 24th June. Then after that, I went to police on 30th itself, 30th June, and I was there for 4 hours. They have interrogated me for 4 hours. They have my laptop, they have my phone, they have my account statement. I was in PC for 14 days earlier. Then I was in PC for 8 days. Then I was in jail for 5 months. Now what is the point of calling me there? They have got everything. They have everything. See, do you really think that I have chip in my body which I can reveal, or am I some computer? No, right? So what they are going to do, I'm 100% sure that they were about to arrest me. They can make any kind of case, they can make any kind of false allegation, and as I have not appeared there, they have actually done the same. They have called this female and make this FIR on me. What they were looking for, finally they did it.
And certain chats had come forward between a person called Arvind Kumar Srivastav, known as Thakur, and Tanveer, and in which they were talking about arranging 8 lakh rupees after you were arrested. What was that money being arranged for?
Who has arrested me? Police. So to whom we need to pay to release me? Of course, to police. So they all were discussing about 8 lakh rupees because they wanted to take 15 lakh rupees from me to release me. So this was the actual scenario. The day when they came to my place, they asked me to pay them 15 lakh rupees. But 15 lakh rupees, okay. So then I told them, why will I pay when I'm not wrong? So they said, we are police, we can make any case on anyone. So now you have to pay us. If you cannot pay us, so thing will be over. Then they said, why don't you do one thing? Take Raj Kundra's name, take Ekta Kapoor's name, be our victim, then we'll release you. Initially, I was not ready to give this statement that they were asking me to pay them 15 lakh rupees. But as they have released their own statement, their own chat, their own printout in media, and they have clearly mentioned that somebody was asking for 8 lakh rupees when I got arrested. So it is easy to understand that police were asking me to pay them 15 lakh rupees, then only they'll release me. So see, imagine the height of politics, the height of what to call, let it be. I don't want to talk about them now.
So now you have moved to anticipatory bail and we try getting a pre-arrest bail.
Exactly. Now I'm trying for anticipatory bail, and it is important for me to do this now because now I know these people. They can do whatever they want to. They can make any kind of case on anyone, and I don't want to be their accused now. And they can do anything. I mean it, anything without any proof, because they don't have to show proof to anyone. Whatever they want to say, they can say. And I have been seeing this since 6 months. So now just one option has left, anticipatory bail.
Thanks. So that was Gehna Vashisht saying that she's denying all the allegations which have been made against her in the FIR, and also saying that a demand of 15 lakh rupees was made before her arrest in February by police. With camera person Mangesh Ambri, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Now, the news seems to be tightening around Raj Kundra. India Today has accessed WhatsApp chats of Raj Kundra, which reveals that he knew someday his app Hotshot will be busted, it will be taken down, and therefore he had already started working on Plan B. Here's our detailed report.
WhatsApp chats unearthed. Lies nail. A smoking gun that reveals Raj Kundra's Plan B. News tightening around alleged kingpin of porn racket. India Today has accessed exclusive WhatsApp chats of Raj Kundra. These chats reveal Raj Kundra's role in the porn scandal. Raj Kundra made a WhatsApp group H account to handle the operation of porn app Hotshots. The chats show Kundra's incriminating role in the racket. He was also happy to see growing popularity of the application and the profits it garnered. Kundra also knew that the sexual content app would come under scanner in the future. Therefore, he had kept Plan B ready. Kundra tried to save the application by filing a review request after it was blocked by Google Play. But Google Play Store refused the appeal as it violated their policy on sexual content. Hotshots even removed the bold content from its platform and refiled a review with Play Store, but the request was again declined. It was then that Plan B was set in motion.
Now, this particular chat shows that Raj Kundra is himself the admin of this particular WhatsApp group. He's talking about the content of Hotshot. Now, during this, Hotshot got a notice from Google App Stores saying that it has sexual content and therefore we are taking it down. Here is when Raj Kundra says, no need to worry, Plan B is ready.
Kundra had already prepared a backup plan that he was plotting to put in action. Kundra's Plan B was to launch Bolly Fame on the lines of Hotshots. He was making logos and finalizing the action plan when the crackdown began. Cops claim that they have sufficient evidence to prove that Raj Kundra was the key conspirator and the WhatsApp chats could be the final nail in the coffin.
Google app declined their appeal and they said they won't start the Hotshot app on their Google App Store because it has lot of sexual content. And this is when Raj Kundra says that thank God we have Plan B and it's a blessing. Clearly, this shows that how Raj Kundra was involved in this whole racket, in the Hotshots app making, in the WhatsApp chats, and his ambitious plan for the Plan B. With camera person Sunil Ved, this is Saurabh Akhtania in Mumbai for India Today.